Now, 99% of students fail this particular question because of this more than one division in this denominator. Now, what most of them did was to write 5, then this division line here, they write divide by 5, divide by 5, then divide by 5, okay? So this is what they had. Now, from here, they use this 5 here to divide this 5, and they had 1, divide by 5, then divide by 5. Now, in their next step, they divided this 5 by this 5, and they had 1 divide by 5. Sorry, divide by 1, okay, 1. And 1 divide by 1 equals 1. But this is totally wrong. Now, let me show you how to solve this question in the right way, okay? So our question is 5 divide by 5, divide by 5, then divide by another 5. Now, to solve this, we are going to put this denominator in parentheses, okay? So we are going to have 5 divide by open parentheses 5 divide by 5, then divide by 5. Now, we need to understand that according to the order of operation, when you have more than one division in an expression, you have to solve from the left to the right, okay? So for that reason, we are going to have 5 divide by, inside this parentheses, this first 5 will be divided by this 5, and we are left with 1, okay? Divide by 5. So from here, inside the parentheses, because 5 cannot divide 1 to give us a whole number, we are going to have 5 divide by 1 divide by 5, okay? Now, this is a fraction, and because we are to divide this 5 here by a fraction, we are going to introduce the rule that is called KCF rule. Now, K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. Okay, so it simply means that this K that is keep simply means that we are going to keep 5, okay? We'll change this division to multiplication, and we are going to flip this fraction. So it's going to be 5 divided by 1, and 5 divided by 1 is 5, okay? So we have 5 times 5 equals 25 as the right answer. Now, let's look into another math question. In solving this given expression, what most people did was to attend to the parentheses first, okay? 7 squared is 49 plus 21 divided by 7 times 3, okay? Now, in their next step, they added these two numbers. 49 plus 21 gave them 70, okay? They had 70 divided by 7 times 3. Now, 70 divided by 10 equals, 70 divided by 7 equals 10 times 3. And 10 times 3 equals 30. But this is totally wrong. Another set of people in solving this expression, what they did was to attend to the parentheses, the exponent first, okay? So they had 49 plus 21 divided by, so they multiplied these two numbers together because they thought that multiplication is of higher priority to division. So they wrote 7 times 3 equals 21, okay? So from here, they had 49 plus 21 divided by 21 equals 1. 49 plus 1 equals 50. But this is totally wrong as well. Now, let me show you how to solve this in the right way. For you to solve this question correctly, the first thing you have to do is to write down the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, okay? PEMDAS, okay? Where P stands for parentheses, E is exponent, M is multiplication, and D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. And please note that multiplication and division are of the same priority. That is to say, irrespective of their position in an expression, you have to solve from the left to the right, okay? Now, from here, addition and subtraction are of the same priority as well. The same thing is applicable to addition and subtraction. So from here, the first thing we are going to attend to is exponent, because we do not have parentheses. So we are going to solve for the exponent first. 7 squared, that is 7 times 7 equals 49, plus 21 divided by 7 times 3. And like we said earlier, because division and multiplication are of the same priority, we are going to divide first. So we have 49 plus 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 7 equals 3 times 3. Okay, now multiplication is of higher priority to addition. So we have 49 plus 3 times 3 equals 9, and 49 plus 9 equals 58 as the right answer. Now let's look into another math question together. In this given expression, in parentheses, 10 plus 40 plus 20 divided by 5 times 2. Now what most people did was to attend to this the parentheses first. Okay, 10 plus 40 equals 50 plus 20 divided by 5 times 2. Okay, now in their next step they added these two together. 50 plus 20 equals 70 divided by 5 times 2. Now in their next step they divided 70 by 5 and they had 14 times 2, and 14 times 2 equals 28. But this is totally wrong. Now another set of people, what they did was to attend to these parentheses first. So they had 10 plus 40 equals 50 plus 20 divided by 5 times 2. Okay, now in their next step, because they thought that multiplication is of higher priority than addition, what they did was to write 50 plus 20 divided by 5 times 2 equals 10. Now in their next step they divided this, so they had 50 plus 20 divided by 10 equals 10, and 50 plus 10 equals 60. But this is also very wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this in the right way. Now the right way to solve this particular question is to first of all write down the order of operation. Okay, it's always necessary for you to write down the order of operation so that you don't get confused or mix things up. Okay, so the first thing here is parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. And remember that multiplication and division are of the same priority. That is to say, we are to solve from the left to the right if you have both of them in a particular expression. And the same thing is applicable to addition and subtraction. So we are going to first of all attend to the parentheses. Okay, 10 plus 40 equals 50 plus 20 divided by 5 times 2. Now remember that we said that multiplication and division are of the same priority. So we are going to solve this from the left to the right. We have 50 plus 20 divided by 5 equals 4 times 2. So from here we have 50 plus 4 times 2 equals 8. And 50 plus 8 equals 58 as the right answer. Now let's do one more last question. This given expression 6 plus 10 times in parentheses 5 plus 2, what most people did was to add it together. 6 plus 10 equals 16 times open parentheses 5 plus 2. Okay, now in their next step they wrote 16 times 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, and 16 times 7 equals 112. But this is wrong because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, we are to attend to the parentheses first because parentheses is of higher priority to multiplication and addition. So we have 6 plus 10 times 5 plus 2 equals 5. This is plus, sorry, not multiplication. This is plus. Okay, 5 plus 2 equals 7. So from here, remember that multiplication is of higher priority to addition. So we have 6 plus 10 times 7 equals 70. And 7 plus 6 plus 70 equals 76 as the right answer. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to share this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.